While some people would like to believe that an early bird or midnight dweller by choice, it's more complicated than that. It is determined by circadian rhythm. A circadian rhythm is nature cycle and energy level, which is determined by genetics and exposure to light. It's controlled amount of energy you have, different time, and what time you go to sleep. If your cycle is longer, you're more likely to burn midnight oil. If your cycle is shorter though, you're more likely to get up early and take the day. How you deal with your circadian rhythm greatly affects your productivity. For example, just because someone are able to stay up early doesn't mean they will get more done. Because of this, the typical 48-hour work week does not ever the people mostly imitated hour. So how did the 40-hour work week come into play then? Surprisingly, there's nothing to do with increasing productivity. Henry Ford, the owner of Ford Motor Ford, created it. He reduced his employer from 48-hour work week to 40-hour work week to give them more time to spend their money. He hoped to spark more increasism in America by giving people more free time to spend their salary.